Today is January 5th, 2014, and we're in probably the biggest snowstorm we've had in St. Louis in 15, 20 years maybe. Looks like we've had at least a foot, maybe a foot and a half of snow. Quite amazing, actually. A lot of snow. So that is Dylan right there. That's Cameron, that's Kaylee, and that's Puck, who loves the snow. The kids just got out for the first time, and it's 2:30. School's already canceled for tomorrow. The kids have their ski goggles on, and lots of layers. I, of course, am dry inside, where it's nice and warm. Look at that snow. Holy moly. Yep. Dylan's laying down over there. This is a massive amount of snow for St. Louis. Maybe not for Alaska, but it's a lot for St. Louis. Oh, they're trying to pour snow on Puck. Okay, well, now that's going to result in a fight. Now Dylan may kill Cameron. Okay, signing off.